Hello my sweet friends, welcome to Coffee with Nadia and welcome to Farmhouse Friday. Today is a collab day, which means in the description box below you will find a playlist. So after watching this video, hit the playlist to see what other decorators did for this collaboration. Today my co-host is Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Her channel is full of gorgeous home decor ideas and some stunning tablescapes, so please check her out. I will link her channel in the description box below. For today's farmhouse tablescape, I'm going to be incorporating lots of Rae Dunn and also some hydrangeas that I got from the Dollar Tree with pink tones. You guys are going to love this elegant farmhouse tablescape that is simple, and when I was doing this, my keywords were less is more. Let's get started. To start off my tablescape, I'm using this beautiful farmhouse buffalo check tablecloth that I got from Home Goods. Right now, Home Goods has a holiday version that has a little bit of silver one, and I've seen a gold threading through this. Very, very faint, very light. So if you're interested, I'm just kind of putting it out there. For my runner, I will be using my favorite Rae Dunn runner, which is the one that has family at the end of it, and I think it's so beautiful. For my chargers, I will be using these super simple chargers from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below, and also I have this in my Amazon store in case you're interested. For my dinner plates, I am going to be using some Rae Dunn plates that say sunshine on them. It's the middle of a summer, it's okay. And they were $12.99 for a set of 4. For our napkins, I am going to be using these Blessed napkins. I got them actually on clearance. How exciting. $5 for a set of 4, $1.25 each is not bad at all. And I'm just going to be placing them towards the bottom because I want my salad plate to cover the corners right here. So I'm kind of just right towards the bottom right here. For salad plates, I'm bringing in these plates by St. Ives, and I got these at Marshall's. They are this beautiful, elegant pink shade. And now for our guest star, milk glass. These are vintage little plates. I thought these are so super cute. So I'm going to put these right on top of my salad plate. The florals I'll be using today are these gorgeous hydrangea. And no, we're not going to be using all of them, but I do have a lot of them, and these are from the Dollar Tree. These are one of those flowers that I kind of clean out Dollar Tree when they get them because they are absolutely stunning, and they have this white and pink, white fuchsia pink with a little bit of green inside and white. It's so beautiful. And then these kind of lime green ones that I absolutely love also. So really gorgeous ones. So for my decor, all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling off these little hydrangea pieces and setting them on the plate. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. So I'm just pulling 2 of them off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of interlock them one inside the other. Just like that, just pulling one end through to the other. Kind of crisscross them. This is, I guess, the bottom of it. And so we're gonna make a little bundle is what it's gonna look like. Just a little bundle, and we're going to put that bundle right on top, right here in the middle of this plate. For glasses, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree black stems. I'm just going to put them right in the corner right there. Next, I'm bringing in some Rae Dunn mugs. And this one says, "Hey girl." And I got a few more I'm going to show you because some of these are super cute. Next one is Pray. And they're all pink. These are so beautiful. The next one is, well, it's necessarily sometimes because I have those days. I wonder if you guys too. Hot mess. And then the last one is beautiful. I love this one. It says faith, hope, and love. How do you not love a mug like this? For my flatware, I'm keeping it simple. I'm using my native flatware. I also decided to add some teaspoons to the set in case people are going to mix their coffee or their tea. So I'm just going to place them next to the fork. Now, in case you're wondering why I put my teaspoons and my forks and my knives where I put them, this is a simple tablescape, kind of like when my sisters are coming over for some dinner and some cake and just to relax and to chat. This is a tablescape. It doesn't have to be schmancy. It's not formal. This is just kind of comfy tablescape. Next, I'm bringing in one of my favorite little cake stands, and this is Grace's Teaware. It was $7.99 at Home Goods, and I got it last year, I want to say, and I just added a buffalo check ribbon to it. I'm going to put that at the center of my table. On top of my tray, I'm putting on this beautiful candy dish, and as you can see, this is a milk glass, and it's so stunning and beautiful. Just putting it on top, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with something. This is just a piece of fabric. And I'm going to put some florals right on top. I'm just going to take these guys off the stem, and I'm just going to start placing them right on top of the candy dish. And now I'm bringing in my final pieces, which are these beautiful milk glass vases. And let me show you. So one set is very simple, just like this. And the other set has a little bit of a print on it. Very beautiful too. So I'm going to put the one with the print right here. And then these two are going to go on the ends. Next, I'm bringing in more of these gorgeous hydrangeas. And what I did was I cut them to about 5-inch stems. And I cut up a whole bunch of them. The leaf itself, I'm going to place about 1 inch down. This way it's going to hold on the vase. And I'm going to put 2 bundles in each vase. You guys enjoyed this Farmhouse Friday and this very simple elegant and beautiful farmhouse decor. I wanted to show that, yes, you can use pink with farmhouse and make it look stunning. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tablescapes and farmhouse decor, please click on the subscription box and also the little bell. Don't forget about the playlist in my description box and see what other creators and designers did for Farmhouse Friday. Have a beautiful day and a gorgeous weekend. Bye everyone. Mwah.